exponents and powers with positive exponent. We take a number like 1 2 3 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 and 0. This number is so large, we can write this number in form of exponents like 1.23 into 10 to power raise places. We count from the point places. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, that is raised to power 12. Similarly, we choose another number 5 4 6 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Here we can write this number into the simplest form like exponent 5.46 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 to the power 10. That is with the exponents are positive, power with positive exponent. That means 10 to the power 12. Here 10 to the power 10. 10 and 12 both are positive. And 2 3 4 6 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 राइट कर लीजिए. Here we place decimal from after one point, that means 2. We put a decimal and count 3 4 6, write the digit other than 0 3 4 6 and count from 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. That means into 10 raised to power 15. Next, power with negative exponent. Negative exponent, later numbers write in the form of 0.000000000023. This number is so small. This number is so small, that means 0.0000000023. We place the point between 2 and 3. That means 2.3 into 10 to the power. How many place we goes towards the right side? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. That means 10 to the power minus 10. If we put decimal towards the right side, the power will negative. If we put decimal towards the left side or shift the decimal to left side, power will positive. Similarly, 0.000000000000000146. Here we put this decimal between 1 and 4. Here 1.4 and 6 into, count the decimals 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14. 10 to power raise minus 14. Here negative exponent. If we shift the decimal from a fixed point to right side, power will decrease. Power will decreases. And if we shift decimal towards the left side, power will increase. Power will increase. For example, let a number retain 1 2 6 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0.0. That means this point shift from places towards left side. This point shifted towards left side, that means 1 2 6, then power will increase. How many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 10 to the power will positive, that is 11. 0.0000000046. If we shift power towards right side from the origin places or same places, that means 4.6, between 4 and 6, how many places shifted power? How many places power shifted? That means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 into 10 to the power 8. That is shifted in right side, that means power will negative, that means 10 to the power minus 8. And next is law of exponent. Law of exponents. Law of exponent, a to the power m into a to the power n. That means in case of multiplication, if base are same, then we will add the power. That means a to the power m plus n. For example, 2 to the power 6 into 2 to the power 4. Here 2 and 2 are same. That means we can write 2 to the power 6 plus 4, that's imply 2 to the power 10. Both have the same value. Second, if a to the power m divided by a to the power n, we subtract the power when base is same, a to the power m minus n. Example, let 2 to the power 3 upon 2 to the power 2, that means 2 to the power 3, that means m minus n, m at the place of m, that is 3 minus 2 equal to 2 to the power n equal to 2. Next is if a to the power n upon b to the power n, we can write a upon b to the power n. If a to the power n, if base are different but power same, we can write whole power same. जो भी वैल्यू होगी पावर में वैल्यू हम राइट कर देते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ 3 to the power 6 divided by 2 to the power 6, we can write 3 upon 2 raised to power whole raised to power 6, because 6 and 6 both have same power. If a to the power m into b to the power m, we can write a into b to the power m. Example, 4 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3, we can write 4 into 3 to the power 3, that means 12 to the power 3. Next, if a to the power n equal to b to the power n, then a equal to b. And if a to the power m equal to a to the power n, then m equal to n. If base are equal, if base are different but powers are equal, then base are equal, if base are same and powers are different but both are equal, then power will equal. Next is a to the power m equal to 1 upon a to the power minus m or 1 upon a to whole to the power minus m, or a to the power minus m equal to 1 upon a to the power m or 1 upon a raised to power m. Next, if a to the power m to the power whole power n, if power raised to power, we multiply the power, that means a to the power m into n. Examples, if 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 4, we multiply 2 to the power 3 into 4 equal to 2 to the power 12. Next, find the value of of 2 to the power minus 3. Here we have 2 to the power minus 3 and we can write 1 upon 2 to the power 3, because we know that a to the power minus m equal to 1 upon a to the power m, that is minus m upon 2 compare with a, and minus 3 that is place of m. We can write 1 upon 2 to the power m using exponent, that means 1 upon 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 2 into 2 4 into 2 8, 1 upon 8. Next, find the value of 1 upon 3 to the power minus 4. 1 upon 3 to the power minus 4, we have 1 upon 3 to the power minus 4 and can write 3 to the power 4. That means 1 upon a to the power minus m equal to a to the power m. Here 3 to the power 4, that means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 4 times. Here power is 4, then we multiply the same number in 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3, 27, and 27 into 3, that is 81. And next is minus 4 to the power 5 into minus 4 to the power minus 10. Minus 4 to the power 5 into minus 4 to the power minus 10. We have minus 4 to the power 5 into minus 4 raised to the power minus 10 equal to, here base are equal. In case of multiplication, if base are equal, we add the power, that means minus 4 to the power 5 plus minus 10. 5 plus minus 10, because the second power is minus negative, we add the power, this is symbol of add, and second power is minus 10, that's equal to minus 4 to the power 5 minus 10 equal to minus 4 to the power minus 5, and we can write minus 1 upon minus 4 to the power 5 or minus 1 upon 4 to the power 5. Here we apply a to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n, and here we apply a to the power minus m equal to 1 upon a to the power m. Next is express 4 to the power minus 3 as the power express 4 to the power minus 3 as a power with base 2, power with base 2. Solution. Here 4 can be write equal to 2 into 2, that equal to 2 to the power 2. Now 4 to the power minus 3 equal to 2 to the power 2, that means we write 2 to the power 2 at place of 4, because 4 can be write into 2 to the power 2, and power minus 3 equal to 2 to the power 2 into minus 3 equal to 2 to the power minus 6, a to the power m to the power n equal to a to the power m into n. And next is two to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 8 whole to the power 5 into 2 to the power minus 5. We have 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 8 whole to the power 5 into 2 to the power minus 5. Here we can write these terms 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 8 whole to the power 5 into 1 upon 2 to the power 5. Here 2 to the power 5 minus 8 whole to the power 5 into 1 upon 2 to the power 5. A to the power minus m equal to 1 upon a to the power m, and a to the power m upon a to the power n equal to a to the power m minus n. We change this term into 1 upon 2 to the power 5, that means using exponent a to the power minus m equal to 1 upon a to the power m, and here we change 2 to the power 5 upon 2 to the power 8 equal to 2 to the power 5 minus 8, a to the power m upon a to the power n equal to a to the power m minus n, that's equal to 2 to the power minus 3 whole to the power 5 into 1 upon 2 to the power 5, that is 2 to the power minus 5 into 3 15, that is minus 15 into 2 to the power 1 upon 2 to the power 5, that's equal to 1 upon 2 to the power 15 into 1 upon 2 to the power 5, and we can write this term 1 upon 2 to whole to the power 15 into 1 upon 2 whole to the power 5. Here bases are equal, then we add the power, that means 1 upon 2 to the power 15 plus 5, that's imply 1 upon 2 to the power 20. That is the simplest form and solve. Thanks for watching.